This Sunday at 9 on City Sound of Chelmsford, Dave Gillam from Abercorn Garden Centre joins us. We're also joined by Chris Cheswright. He's from the Essex Hardy Plant Society. Then following on from him, Ian Limmer, Peter Beale's Roses. Is it time to plant them or is it time to prune them? Or perhaps both. We'll also be answering all your gardening questions. Join me, Ken Crowther, 9 till 11, City Sound, Chelmsford.